So if you know deep within your soul that you are a lazy somebody, all you want to do is chill at home and look, wishing and wanting and waiting for a job to come drop in your lap, and you're jealous for Sally Mae and Shavonda because she has a, you ain't gonna get nowhere.
No time.
Goodbye, this video is not for you. No. Don't waste your time, darlings. Click away, click away, click away. This is for people who are ready to get down with the get down to get some money. Let's go. Hi, somebody. Hi, somebody. Yada, yada, yada. Welcome to Rebel for a Spell, where it's all about discovering your voice, natural hair, and soul care. My name is Wen, and I'm here at the Subbies' request. What do they need? Part 3 of the series is here. Part 3 of the series is here for you.
Yes, sis.
No shame. Coupons and bridgework hustle. Today, it's all about bridgework hustle, side gigs that can get us through to where we need to go, to feed our families, to feel a sense of self-worth, and to be productive. We will be providing the smaller market resources that will give you a foot in the door. Let's start off. First one. The first one is the workathomemom.com. It provides jobs for moms who work from home, and this could be a wide variety of online jobs, remote work. You can be a virtual assistant, project manager, online customer service rep. We talked about it in part 2 of this series, where we can call up the customer service rep and brag about their products. That could be you that we're bragging about the products for. There's something, there's money coming in for you.
Yes, sir.
You can be a tutor. These are options. So go check it out. I'll leave it in the description box below for you. And it's a legitimate company, guys, created by a woman who saw a gap in the market that caters to who? Work-at-home mamas. Next one. In part 2 of the series called, Coupon Hustle, we talked about couponing. We gave you all those tips, all that nuggets on it. You can use all those tips and the skills, and maybe you are already a rock star couponer. You can create an inventory of all the products and the Tides and the toilet paper and whatever you have collected, the cans of products, the lipstick and so forth that you know are going out of inventory. They don't keep it in stock anymore. You can create all of that inventory and open your own what? Online store.
What?
We're talking either Amazon. It's not that difficult. eBay. You can create it in your own neighborhood. So Jane, Mary, and all the people know that this is who you go to. This is who you go to if you need to get some so at a discount, because you know you bought them at your coupon discount, where maybe you bought a whole 54 ounce of, Tide or something for $3 because you had all your coupons collected and you did a really good job. And now you can go sell that Big Daddy for $15. That's the markup right there. You're an entrepreneur. You set it up, you take your photos, you click it around people in your family, in your neighborhood, and say, okay, this is what we have. Meet me here. Set it up. If you use Facebook a lot, or if you use Instagram, set it up. Set it up and sell the products that you do not use, that you got through your coupon, already at a discount, to your own people, to your marketplace. It's all about the hustle. So if you're ready to hustle, put those coupons to work for you, make it happen. Another thing about those coupons, you can set up the system where you can trade the coupons. We talked about it in the coupon in part 2 of this series, where you can trade your coupons. If you know you live in Pennsylvania, you live in Jersey, you live in Washington, all these coupons that you've gotten are not applicable because you don't need to trade them off with whoever you know is couponing, your friends, your network. That's all part of the hustle. Then you get the products that you know your market needs. Hey, that was number 2, working the coupon hustle to set up your online store. All right. Next one is about moms again. Where was this when my mom had me in her belly, her neck? It's called hiremymom.com. It's a legitimate site, hired by moms, run by moms, all remote. If you know you're a work-at-home mom, you have these kids, you can be a virtual assistant, a bookkeeper, a project manager, a proofreader. If you know you'd like to set up your own entrepreneurship, your own business, I have a whole bunch of entrepreneurs in my family. You want to set up your own business, but you need the skills. You think you want to be a proofreader. You need to be a virtual assistant, but you need the skills. Go and use this Hire My Mom. You can use the Work at Home Mom, which by the way is on the Forbes magazine's a top business magazine, Forbes top 100 career job site.
Yes, I.
These are legit. You can go on there and get your experience, hone your skills, and then boom, you open your own virtual online business where you can just be proofreading or be a virtual assistant. You gotta wanna hustle though, people. This life is not gonna come to you sitting on the couch. That's why I said in the top of this video, if you know, darlings, that you're a lazy tomato, this video ain't for you. Bye. You gotta be ready to do the work. Next one. Speak T. Or what? Jen Go. This one is about translation. You're translating documents from one language to another. So it's global. Okay? So if you know you have a company, a business in China, are you in Puerto Rico, you're in Japan, you're in Denmark, you can get that uploaded to the site. But you have to be a member of these two sites. You go to these sites and you can translate the information from one language into another. There's a market for that. I'm telling you, there's a market for almost everything. Along the vein of translating number 5. Number 5. VIP Kid, number 5. Essentially, VIP Kid allows you to teach English to kids in where? China. $14 to $22 an hour you can make, honey.
Nice.
What? Yes, from your home. You have to have your bachelor's degree, BA, and at least 1 year of teaching experience. It could be teaching a Sunday school, it could be teaching elementary school, doesn't matter, as long as you have that experience. You do not have to create a lesson. No, you don't. The lessons are created for you. Of course, you have to read the lesson, so you're prepared to give the lesson to the kids. You set your own schedule. If you're on the West Coast, it may be a challenge for you because, you know, the time difference may not work in your favor. But if you're on the East Coast, you have an internet connection and it's stable, you're ready to set your hours, you're ready to grind. VIP Kid, that's number 5. I'm telling you, there's a way to work this system to get by because there are some big daddy websites out there. We know them all. Just a couple days, a couple friends of mine told me about, oh, what is this? Indeed.com, it's not helping me. Can I find a job? I can't do this. This other site, LinkedIn, doesn't work. This other site doesn't work. Career Builder, it's such a Fiverr. It's this and that. These sites I'm presenting today are niche, smaller markets that you can get your foot in the door, honey. We all know about Craigslist. We all know about all these scams. Don't worry about that. These 5 are legit. Recap, babies. Recap. First one, theworkathomemom.com. Top 100 on the Forbes list of career website. Look it up. I'm not making it up. Next one, get your coupon hustle going. Set up your online store on eBay, Amazon, your own neighborhood of people in your village, your city, your 5 square mile block. Set that up. Next one, Hire My Mom. Catered for moms, by moms, and run by moms. You can be a virtual assistant, bookkeeper, project manager, you name it. Next one, Speak T or Gen Go. Be a professional translator, stay from home, use those skills that you naturally acquire. I have my friends, my Korean friends, that's what they do. Make that money, honey. You gotta be ready to make that money. The last one, number 5, VIP Kid. Teach English to kids in where? China, $14 to $22 an hour based on your skills. Of course, I hope this has helped you. If it has, let us know down in the description box below. Thumbs it up, thumbs it up. And this was part 3 of the series. No shame, coupon, and bridgework hustle. So then remember this, darlings. No one is entitled to anything but breath.
Yes,
We are not entitled to anything but breath. You've got to be ready to grind, ready to be uncomfortable. And that's the next video coming up. What's it called? It's all about self-development. And you know where to get all those other videos, people. Go on and get in there, peruse the channel. Anything you're digging, anything you need to see, let us know. We're here to serve. There you go. I hope this was helpful for you, darlings. Thank you for all the positive vibes and the great energy and the feedback we've been getting. We're here to serve. We're here to entertain, but mostly we're here to serve. All right?
Another video is waiting for you. Check it out. Check it out now. Shitty bang bang bang. Ha 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 ha.